Hi, I'm Bryce Petersheim. I'm a physician assistant that works at the Bone and Joint Care Center. When I decided to become a PA, orthopedics was always an area that stood out to me. And then as I got into orthopedics, more specifically sports medicine, because I always liked the athletic side of it and, seeing athletes and helping them through injuries. Usually I'm seeing patients around 3 days a week, and then I assist Dr. Schumacher in the operating room 2 days a week. That's a pretty standard week. We're really focused on a lot of minimally invasive surgeries, anywhere from the range of shoulders, elbows, wrists, knees, and being able to do some of those procedures and get patients back on the playing field faster is definitely a benefit. One of the ways that I always pride myself on that is being able to connect with them, on a personal level. And it's more than just, your knee pain exactly, but we'll get to know you a little bit and, talk about life for a little bit more than just the injury that you're coming in for. The most rewarding part is when you see a patient walk out of your clinic for hopefully the final time. You got to see them through the first parts, the parts that were, they were nervous about, and then being able to see that progression is always very rewarding.